When you get your Quickpress Ironlite home, first open up the box, take out the Ironlite and make sure that you've removed all of the packaging so there's nothing left on the sole plate that might stick to it. Next thing, you need to take the plug and you need to plug it into the wall. With the unit itself, so the iron, this is where the water goes in. So you unflip the cap and you fill up the 380 ml water tank. Now it is best practice to make sure when you're filling it up that the steam switch is set to dry ironing. Okay, quick tip there. Now, the next thing you need to do is pop the iron onto the docking base or station and lock it in. And make sure that the temperature dial here is turned off minimum, because minimum means that it's off. So anything above that on the dial will turn the iron on. You'll notice that this red indicator light has turned on. Now what this is telling you is the iron is heating up. If you're plugging it in for the first time, it will take up to 35 seconds to fully heat up and then you're ready to go.